So this is the second part of the same video which I was discussing. In this, now after calculating material usage variance, we will be calculating material cost variance. The formula for cost variance is very simple. Price variance, the first part, minus usage variance will give you the cost variance. So it was 290 adverse, 100 favorable. So cost will be 190 adverse, because 290 minus 100 will give you 190 adverse. So we will calculate for A. Similarly, we calculate for B, meaning the material cost variance formula is very simple. Material price variance, the answer of material price variance will be subtracted from the material usage variance. So these are the basic three formula for calculating material variances in standard costing. So you need to mug up these formula: material price variance formula, material usage, and material cost variance formula is very simple: price minus usage. Okay. So next we are moving to labor variance. So labor variance formula is, labor rate variance formula is standard rate minus actual rate into actual R. AH is actual R, this is rate. Okay. So when we calculate for product A, we are giving labor rate, this is a standard 80 hours, and this is actual. So the formula is standard rate, meaning 2 rupees, actual is 1.75 into actual R. Actual R is 92 hours. This is R and this is rate. So using this formula we will get labor rate variance. This is favorable. Okay. So we will similarly calculate for B. Labor efficiency formula is standard R minus actual R into standard rate. So here you can see standard R is 80 hours, actual hours is 92 hours, meaning we have set a standard that the labor will use 80 hours, but the labor has used 92 hours. So the answer is adverse, because what we have set our standard, the actual hour is more than that. That is why 80 minus 90 into 2 will give you 24 hours as an adverse labor efficiency. Okay. Similarly, we will calculate for B. And in the last section, we have to calculate labor cost variance. Formula is very simple. Labor rate variance minus labor efficiency variance, meaning 23 favorable minus 24 adverse will give you 1 adverse. So similarly, you have to solve the numerical for standard costing concerning material variance and labor variance. So material variance formula is this, and labor variance formula is this, and this is the numerical. Now you all solve this numerical and calculate for both product A and B. I guess I have given you this numerical in your Google class, and I have also given you the formula. So using those formula you can calculate. In this first line material price variance product A, the formula is wrong. AQ into SP into AP. This formula is right. The second one, product B, this formula is right, whereas this one is wrong. Here in place of AQ it has to be AP. So using both the two this video which I have given, you can solve this numerical, and you can also further solve the numerical which I will be giving in your assignment. Okay, thank you.